liftoff for the Eurofighter Typhoon of the Italian Air Force Flight Test Center. In the cockpit, is Captain Federico Petracca. He's performing 2 roles and a wide right turn for repositioning.
Za sterami samolotu siedzi Federico Petracca, który po otrzymaniu zgody wystartował, wykonał 2 byczki i w tej chwili w takim nawrocie wykonuje lat.
This maneuver is called a high alpha roll and then is performed with high angle of attack values. Here we go in front of you. You can see how the Eurofighter can be handled in a very short space, which is an essential condition during real combat mission. And now Captain Federico Petracca from the left side of the runway is about to perform 3 fast aileron rolls.
Za chwileczkę wykona 3 szybkie byczki.
Ready for 1, 2, and 3 rolls. 45 degrees away turn, and he's about to perform 1.5 roll, starting definitely the most critical phase of this flight, which is the negative G Schneider turn, in which the pilot feels like being pulled out from the cockpit, passing from +7 to -3G.
W tej chwili pilot wykona po tej beczce odwrócony wiraż z przeciążeniem -3G.
This moment, the onboard life equipment is very important. It's essential to preserve the pilot from G-lock and avoid a rush of blow to the head.
Bardzo ważne jest wyposażenie pilota w odpowiedni strój przeciążeniowy, aby uniknąć blackoutu.
Once again, pointing the crowd here at the Radomiu show, Captain Federico Petracca after a minimum radius turn. Here we go, vertical pull up.
Akurat w tym momencie w manewrze domowym.
Just seeing the typical delta shape of the Eurofighter Typhoon.
Możecie Państwo podziwiać w tej chwili bardzo charakterystyczną sylwetkę Typhoona.
And now, once again, stick to the chest. After this looping, flying back towards us. This is a roll under, a fast change of the flight path. And now pilot on the right side of the runway is about to perform a very, very wide rubber roll, repositioning the Eurofighter Typhoon and getting ready to begin the next sequence of aerobatics. Eurofighter Typhoon is the world's most advanced wing-built combat aircraft, providing deployable